Another day, another space event. Welcome everyone to the Farnborough Airshow 2026 here at Farnborough, not far from London in the UK. I'm here, of course, in the space zone. A whole hall dedicated to space and to the advancements of space in relation to the rest of the aerospace industry that is well represented here. We see civil aviation, we see military aviation, we see drone aviation, and of course, we see space being represented here. Now, most of the companies here in the exhibition are indeed from the UK. We see European players, we see American players, we see different international players, but of course the UK Space Agency is central to what's happening here at the Airshow. We started this morning with an impressive speech by Liz Lloyd, the UK Minister of Science, Innovation and Technology, emphasizing the importance of space for the UK economy. And of course, you can't do that just from a national point of view. So in the next session, we saw the head of the European Space Agency, the head of the Turkish Space Agency, and of course the head of the UK Space Agency, talking about national versus international priorities in space, and also how dual use, so the mix between civil space and military space, is changing the space industry. Of course, defense is a major theme here. We saw the NASA administrator on stage, right where I came from just now, talking about Artemis, giving us an update on what's happening in the Artemis program, how things are progressing, where the difficulties are, where the international collaboration opportunities are, and many people were asking him about this. So very interesting indeed. Of course, the Space Hall is part of a much bigger event. In fact, one of the panels was loudly interrupted by an F-35 fighter jet flying low over this building, making the panel discussion impossible for a few seconds. We see, again in the Space Hall, not just the big integrators, we see some of the component providers. We see the whole supply chain basically represented here, and that is obviously why I'm here representing Anywaves, is to look at the opportunities that exist here in the UK, in the rest of Europe, in the world, not just in civil space, but also definitely in dual use. That's it for me. Back to Luxembourg. I'll be seeing you at the next event somewhere in the world very soon. Bye-bye.